Laini Moreno. Kensington Palace confirms Prince Harry is dating actress Meghan Markle. It's not a rumor, it's real. Prince Harry is in love. Kensington Palace has finally confirmed everyone's favorite ginger has been dating Suits actress Meghan Markle for a few months now. Harry revealed he is worried about Ms. Markle's safety amid the wave of abuse and harassment she has dealt with since being connected to him. In the statement, the relationship was stressed as not a game, saying it is her life and his. The duo were outed after Meghan shared a few pictures of her wearing matching jewelry to Harry's. She has also been taking monthly trips to London. They reportedly met at a charity event in Toronto. They had been seeing each other in secret since, and reports say Meghan has also dined with Prince William and Kate, along with Prince Charles. For more on this story, go to eonline.com.